Ed here with the Digital Digest, and today I wanted to share a first look at the Andycine dummy battery for Sony cameras that use the NP-FZ100. So as many of you already know, I have an A7R4, I also have an A7R2. This isn't going to work with that, but it will work with this. It will also work with the FX3 that I'm filming this on right now. And the goal is really simple. I've reviewed a lot of Andycine products in the past, and this I actually purchased. This wasn't sent over by the manufacturer. $25 US and change roughly. I'll include a link in the description. And what this is going to let us do, I may have to actually cut this with a scissor. No, I don't think I have to. Is allow us to pop this in as any dummy battery would. Some paperwork in there as well. And then connect this to the DC out on an Andycine field monitor. So if, like me, you use a field monitor that has DC out support, it's really that simple. So I'm going to test it right now because I am currently using an Andycine field monitor that I have hardwired. So let's go ahead and plug it into that. And again, the Andycine product, it's now, you can't see, but it is tethered, is designed to be used with their field monitors. That's why it doesn't come with any way to connect it to a wall outlet or another battery pack, and you can go for other solutions like that. So in the event that's what you're looking for, this is just one of the least expensive ways to keep constant power running to your, again, Sony full frame or even APS-C like the A6600 that supports, again, the FZ100, which, I mean, I remember when this battery first came out, it was a game changer for Sony mirrorless. So let's go ahead and power on the A7R4. And again, the dummy battery's hardwired, and you can see it's showing 89%. Now, I don't know why it's showing 89%, because, of course, right now, that battery's should be full in theory. But I'm going to test this. I'm going to see how well it actually works. I'm not anticipating any sort of problems. I'll probably start using it in the rig that you're viewing this on now, the FX3 that I have mounted overhead. And again, it just solves a simple problem of going through battery swaps when, why would you want to do that? Plus, with a camera like this that does have some overheating issues, dummy batteries are a really good way to deal with overheating. So if you're looking for a way to shoot, extended video with, well, I won't say you'll eliminate overheating, but it'll make a very big difference besides just pulling the LCD screen away from body, then this is a really good route to go. This is not the first dummy I've used before, but I just felt it was time to get something for the FZ100 form factor. I wasn't relying on it for shooting my content, but now with the FX3 and also the A7R4 likely becoming a B cam or even an A cam in certain situations for me, it's good to have devices like this, especially when you already have Andycine gear that complements it. It's just them building out their really affordable ecosystem for accessories to cameras that are not really affordable. So again, the A1 this could be used with, A9 Mark II, A7R4A, this of course, A6600. So you have a lot of options, A9. So it's just, at its price, if you're looking to shoot video and reduce overheating, kind of a no-brainer. Now, if you need something that's going to be hardwired or it's going to go to a battery pack, that's a different story. Of course, a lot of people will say, why not just go through the USB port? And that's because that's a trickle. This is a battery replacement. So for those of you wondering. And this does have to come off if you want to actually mount it. So that's another thing. I'm not doing that right now, but again, just wanted to show it. And it says 88 now. We'll see. We'll see how this works, but seems to be doing the trick. Any questions or comments, please feel free to post them. Hit that like button. And as usual, please feel free to subscribe and please stay safe. Later.